Hi, my name is Richard Burke Jones. I have a studio in Newburyport, Massachusetts, and we're going to do something a little different today, actually quite a bit different. I'm going to go with my little friend Luca, and we're going to travel back to Milano, Italy in 1490, and enter the workshop of Leonardo as he paints his masterpiece, The Last Supper, and other things. We're not there really to just witness the masterpiece. We're there to be with him, see how he works in his studio, ask some questions, have a little fun. And I hope if we come away from today's journey, if you will, we'll have a lesson that will make us a little better artists. So come with us as we step back into Leonardo's studio.
Master Leonardo, what makes a painting great?
It is not the paint, it is the seeing. Here, Christ is the center of interest.
Master Leonardo, why is Christ in the center?
Because every line in this room leads here.
Master, what should I study if I want to become an artist?
Study the light. Watch how it changes stone, wood, cloth, and the human face. Light never repeats itself, but it never stops teaching.
Someday you should read my book on painting.
Does that thing actually work?
Not yet. Everything works first in here.
Master, how many notebooks do you have?
The ones I haven't lost? Thank you.
So here we are back in my studio after having traveled 500 years back to Milano, Italy. I hope you thought it was fun. I thought it was actually fun and instructional. For example, some of the things that he was talking about just haven't changed in 500 years. Particularly the soft edges, so-called sfumato, which he didn't call it that. We call it that now. But I have a little painting I'm working on here, and here's some of the concepts, age-old concepts. Soft edges right here, if you can see, the little figure, little girl here, and then the edges of the central figure are soft, they're lost and found, so-called. Some of the directional lines come right to her. Same thing that he was talking about, really, in so many ways. So one takeaway from me was that every great painting is not made based on tricks. It's made from learning to see. That's still such an important concept. Leonardo taught us to lead the eye in. That's still a very valid concept. To watch the light, that's so critical. And to soften the edges where nature softens it, if you will. 500 years later, here we are, same thing. So I hope you enjoyed it. My first foray into creating some characters using software. But at the risk of being criticized, I thought it would be fun and entertaining and instructional at the same time. Thanks so much.